Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Uber driver account step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google and type Uber driver sign up. Click the official Uber link that says sign up to drive. Now, click sign up now. You can continue with Google, Apple, or enter your email or phone number manually. Choose whichever works best for you. Next, enter your first and last name and your phone number, then click Next. You'll now see Uber's terms, privacy notice, and policies. After reading, click I agree and then Next at the bottom of the screen. Enter the city or area where you want to drive with Uber, then click Next. Now, select the service type. You can drive with Uber, register as a taxi driver, or sign up for Uber Eats using a bike or motorcycle. For this tutorial, choose Drive with Uber and continue. Next, Uber will ask for your consent and required information. Fill in details like your full name, date of birth, and banking information, then click Accept and Continue. You'll now need to upload your documents. This usually includes your ID, a profile photo, your driver's license, a bank statement, and vehicle information if required. Once you've provided all the information, click Submit. After that, Uber will review your application and contact you once your account is approved. And that's it. You've successfully applied for your Uber driver account. Just wait for approval and you'll be ready to start driving. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials.